In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete audio clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you're cleaning up your timeline, removing unwanted background sound, or just getting rid of an audio clip you no longer need, this is a very simple process in DaVinci Resolve. Once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few seconds. To begin, go to your timeline. This is the area where all of your video and audio clips are arranged for editing. If you already have your project open, just look at the lower section of the editor where your tracks are displayed. Audio clips usually appear on the audio tracks beneath the video tracks, so that's the section you'll want to focus on. From here, find the audio clip you'd like to delete. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if your timeline contains several clips placed close together. Clicking the clip once will highlight it and show that it's selected. This is important because DaVinci Resolve needs to know exactly which audio clip you want to remove before you perform the delete action. After the audio clip is selected, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several editing options. In that menu, look for the option that says Delete Selected. Once you click that, DaVinci Resolve will immediately remove the audio clip from your timeline. And that's it. The selected audio clip is now deleted. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this removes the clip from the timeline, not necessarily from your entire project media pool. So if you accidentally delete the wrong audio clip from the timeline, you may still be able to add it back later, depending on your project setup. It's also a good idea to zoom in on your timeline if you're working with very short audio clips, since that makes it easier to select the exact item you want to remove. This method is useful whether you're deleting music, voice recordings, sound effects, or any other audio element placed on your timeline. As long as you select the correct clip first, the process stays exactly the same. So again, just go to the timeline, select the audio clip you want to remove, right-click it, and choose Delete Selected. That's the quickest way to delete audio clips in DaVinci Resolve.